Hello, welcome to Snake Eye Crypto channel. Now, today is a good news for not good news for Bitcoin because Bitcoin is has recently passed 58,000 US dollar of mark. But it's a good news for Ethereum because Ethereum is trading at all-time high. Now, another thing is that since the starting of this year, Bitcoin is performing really good, but in down market, Ethereum is not. Going much of the down. Also the same thing with the Binance coin. This is probably because more and more ETH tokens are being locked into the Ethereum 2.0. So today I am going to show you one link I am posting below from the YouTuber Coin Bureau, and this video link I am posting below, which is a 26 minutes of video, and I personally suggest you to all of you go to this video, because in this video why Ethereum price will go to high has been explained in very much detail by this Coin Bureau YouTuber. So basically what he wants to say is that one is a utility demand. So as a stable coin, DeFi platforms and in the NFT marketplaces, the demand for Ethereum is going high. Also, investment demand for Ethereum is also going high. Means investors from all around the world are looking into this Ethereum as an investment asset class. Recently, three ETFs of Ethereum have been launched into the Canada. So these two demands are going high. And if we compare to the supply, then exchange supply is going down. More and more Ethereum is being locked into the DeFi smart contract. Then more and more Ethereum is being staked into locked into Ethereum 2.0. And also when EIP proposal next London Berlin fork update will be there, there will be EIP 1559 proposal. So that will burn the fee of the partial transaction fee to reduce the inflation of the Ethereum system. So overall the supply of Ethereum is going down and demand of the Ethereum is going up. So it's a perfect obviously I am not saying that this is the investment advice, because I am not as written here, I am not a financial advisor, but this is a perfect a perfect match made in heaven for any investment class that is going higher in demand because of its utility and investment demand, and going down into the supply because of these various factors. So this is a must watch video. Another video is by crypto YouTuber Lark Davis, and that is Never Sell Your Bitcoin. And in this video, Lark Davis is telling very much a good thing about Ethereum, and particularly Ethereum 2.0 staking, and why you should stake to start generating income for your entire future. So that is a very valuable and different angle and point of view that you should learn from this video. So I am also posting a link of this video below. Now, Hollywood, more and more people are also attracting started investing into the Ethereum. The actress Mila Kunis reveals that I am using cryptocurrencies after getting into Bitcoin with Ashton Kutcher 8 years ago. So this means that more and more celebrities are also started taking interest into the crypto system. This article says that Federal Reserve stance on monetary policy remains unchanged. What this means for crypto. So what basically they are trying to tell is that the crypto market is going up, particularly a Bitcoin, and also the Ethereum. Ethereum is also going up and Bitcoin is also going up because they are a fixed supply. Obviously Ethereum is not, we cannot say fixed supply, but if you see this video you will understand that it's going to be a decreasing in supply over the time. So what Federal Reserve is saying is that it will continue in asset purchases of 120 billion US dollar per month. So and what they are telling is that for long term target of 2% inflation they will achieve. Otherwise they will keep printing this Fed US dollars. Keep printing, not printing actually. It's technically printing, but what they are telling is 120 billion of asset purchases is a kind of printing money and injecting liquidity into the this. This means that it's a good news for crypto, because in crypto space, whatever assets are in fixed supply will rise, because the amount of money that will chase them into the system will increase every month by month. So it is a good news for the crypto. Now, also good news about Binance coin holders and Binance Smart Chain believers. And in my previous videos, I have already explained that Binance Smart Chain is growing in popularity and growing more and more projects. Also, NFT marketplace is coming into the June. So, why this Binance Smart Chain is getting used more? So, it is a directly Ethereum competitor, and there are basically three projects which are growing in popularity on the Binance Smart Chain. One is a Venus protocol. So it is a algorithmic money market and synthetic stablecoin protocol that provides lending and borrowing solution for DeFi and BSC. So recent bullishness for the project began to increase around April 20, when it was revealed that a proposal was submitted to add Dogecoin. So this Venus marketplace is growing. Another is you must be knowing about PancakeSwap. It's a direct competitor to Uniswap, but it has a very much low fees. On Uniswap, you have to pay fees in Ethereum, which is around $60 to $70, or maybe even higher for one transaction. However, on BSC, you can do the same thing. On BSC Smart Platform and PancakeSwap, you can do same thing for just 50 to 60 cents. So another PancakeSwap is also on the Binance Smart Chain. And third is a linear finance. So all these three basically DeFi applications are exploding in its demand, and that's why using of Binance token and also the Binance Smart Chain is growing. Plus on top of that, Binance NFT marketplace is coming. So it's all a good news for the BNB coin. So basically these are the today's good news. So let me know if you have any good stories about any of the crypto space, and I will publish it on my next video. Thank you.